boys, I ain't gonna lie, I'm hopped up on the COVID right now. You gotta spell it on YouTube apparently. Or code word, the clap. It's been kicking my balls, boys. So anyway, we still gotta film, still love you guys. Back in action, we're back in the action. Man, as always, thank you so much for joining back. Giveaway, real quick. Man, I'm gonna try to keep my energy up. I'm really gonna do this. Let's go. Honestly though, spoiler alert, the package that we have right in front of me got me out of bed. I'm ready for it, bro, and I'm stoked for this. Giveaway, real quick, thumbs up, comment down below to enter. That's it. My Instagram's right here. You can let me know if you did it. Or maybe I'll DM you on YouTube if I can and tell you won. We're giving away small little packages every video of jewelry that I've unboxed that I don't need, and I'm giving it to you. So there you go. Good luck. Appreciate you, boys. Now my brain ain't working too nice today or yesterday or the day before, boys. Hold on, give me a sec. I thought it was dumb already. I got COVID and all of a sudden, oh my god, we're on the spectrum, more. Alright boys, I'm super stoked for this. Now, you guys might know if you know me, we never really work with companies. You feel what I'm saying? However, a very nice company called Harlem Bling, there's gonna be links down below to the YouTube, Instagram, da-da-da-da. Hit me up saying, NameBran, we want to send you some Moissanite jewelry. Right away, I'm like, yo bro, Moissanite? Most people won't send me that. They're like, we want you to check it out. I'm like, alright, want to tick off my box. What else you want to send? They said, that's it. I'm just kidding, but no. I checked out their website, bro, Harlem Bling, links down below, brought to you by them. To be honest, we never do this because I never like the jewelry that companies hit me up with, but I checked out their website and the prices on this Moissanite, bro, for what it looks like the quality is, we're gonna see. We got the package right here. It's a mystery. I have no idea what the hell they sent. It's really damn cheap, bro, and I even checked eBay for like price checks. The Moissanite, like a chain for instance, is like 2 racks on eBay, so we're gonna see if it's worth the money, and more importantly if it passes the diamond tester, because if it doesn't, you're going out in town, apparently people are carrying their diamond testers around lately, you're gonna look like a in front of your girl. You can't have that, boys. So we got Harlem Bling here hooking us up with Moissanite jewelry. We're gonna test if that thing passes and also how the quality is, boys. I'm stoked for this. I checked their website. It checked out, bro. Like, it looks sick. Therefore, I had to say yes. Yes, I will look at your jewelry, dudes. And yes, I will be honest if it sucks. 100%, boys, you have my word. Let's go. Alright boys, we're gonna open it up. Not trying to be funny here, but I don't have my knife. Let's go! And I cut through something already. Can't be using the lungs too much today, boys. Alright, we cut through something. Oh, it's a GRA Okay, so this must be, I don't want to look at it because that's going to be a spoiler maybe of what we get. But these, maybe? I don't know. These look like certifications of it actually being Moissanite. This is sick. I don't think I've seen this. Maybe I have, but I'm not sure. Okay, it doesn't give it away. Unless I look at the GIA report. Then we'll see what's in the box. Certification card. Cool. Alright, so we got the frickin' Moissanite. We got 2 pieces apparently, is what we see. Spoiler alert, let's go. Now I'm really stoked, bro. I thought it'd just be 1. Oh, cover your mouth when you cough, bro. You have to clap. Alright, boys, we got 3 things in here, bro. Well, let's just go. Harlem Bling, what's up? Let's see what you got, bro. First thing, we're going, this is actually, I know exactly what that is right here. Dude, you freaking hooked it up. I want to yell so bad right now. This is a freaking diamond tester. I could tell because we've had many and I've broken many. As you can see, this one's, you know what? Now we can bust this one. This is awesome. Let's not bust this until we figure out that this one works, maybe. Okay, so the thing with Moissanite, boys, if you don't know what Moissanite jewelry, oh, I forgot they come with a little condom on top. I always chew on that thing. So, oh, it's just Harlem Bling on it. Oh, this is a bonus. I promised I'd let this last for at least a week, Harlem Bling. I usually break these out of anger. Might even break it out of anger if it doesn't pass your diamonds during this video, okay? So I'm gonna have to put the battery in this real quick, boys. I'm gonna come back to you. Oh, it comes with a battery. There's a freebie. I don't think they usually do that. I will be right back. She works. Where's my hammer? We're now outside. I'm not gonna lie, boys. I'm pretty annoyed. I just went ham on this old diamond test of ours, but I forgot to hit record, bro. I was too excited to destroy the damn thing, but there she is. May she rest in peace. And we're back, boys. Let's check it out. Okay, so I already know what I'm feeling here. We got the bag, Harlem Bling. We actually have one more. So there's 2 pieces. Got the 2 certifications for Moissanite. That's good. Boys, Harlem Bling. Let's get into the first one. Thing I'm stoked about. And I think they probably asked me what my favorite thing is, and I probably said rings. I can't really remember because I got my brain all smugged right now. We got the... Yes, bro. I've been wanting new rings. You guys know I lost my jewelry collection except for these 2 pieces right here. Let's check it out. The first piece. Holy sh... Dude, the quality is heavy. Style per se. Oh, size 9 too. It's my size. Let's go. Style per se on it. Maybe not up my alley. I don't know. I haven't seen it on my damn finger yet, bro. Not size 9. What finger does that fit? This one. The one beside the middle finger. Boom. That I always put up instead of the middle finger because I'm dumb. Oh, God. It fits really good, actually. So I gotta cut myself off. Boys, the first ring right here. We're gonna diamond test these at the end. We're looking at quality right now. Oh, it's also on 925 silver, boys. So we got the white gold, you know, plated on 925 silver. The thing looks damn nice, actually. There's also, the thing I like is the diamonds go around it a ton. Not like my other rings. You know, it's just like, these ones are real, but it just kind of stops right there. You feel what I'm saying? So we got that. I'm gonna check out the price on that one real quick, actually, because I'm curious to see what the hell that even costs, so I can resell it. No, I'm just kidding. Harlem Bling, it's a joke. Alright, boys, so I'm checking the website. Don't quote me 100%. There's actually going to be links down below. He'll send them to me. I wanted it to be a secret of what I get, so I need to unbox before he sends the links for you guys to shop if you want to. Looks like it's $119.98 American. That's what I'm saying, bro. Cheaper Moissanite. I've seen the quality. If you are curious, it is hollowing on the inside-ish. But same with my other ring, and I'm just gonna give it a little, I don't know, I'll find it in a bit. Anyway, my other gold diamond real one is also kind of hollowed on the inside. That's kind of what you do. If it's nice, it's cool. Let's get into the next one, boys, because I want to diamond test these so bad, bro. So bad. What else do we get? We got another ring. Next, yeah, looks like a ring. So I thought it also comes with cards in here. I don't know if you really care that much. Sorry, Harlem Bling, but I don't think we really care that much. A little pamphlet, actually. They both came with this. Duck's cloth. Very nice. They both came with that. Thank you for your purchase. Yeah, you're welcome. Alright, boys, next one right here. I'm really trying to be quiet for Ian and my throat. Boys! Okay, so now we really need my old ring here. We have the Star Harlem Bling size 9 once again. Right there. Guys, you know, I had a couple of these and I lost the one, or one got stolen, or whatever the hell you want to call it. The other one should be around here. Oh, up. We got the meat sweats, but the COVID sweats. She's been found. Alright, so while I was finding this, I was looking at this. This thing's so boss. This is my real diamond one. I paid about $2,200 for it. Real diamond, you know, the real gold, da-da-da-da-da. There's that one side by side. I always wished I went with the white gold. It just looks better on my skin color, to be honest. Quality-wise, man, I couldn't tell the difference because if I didn't know better, you know what I mean? I don't know better, you know? So this thing's sick. We're stoked about it. Obviously want to see if it passed the diamond tester because Moissanite's supposed to. Now I feel like an asshole for spending that much money on this when this was, I don't know, check the link down below. I'm too sick to find it right now. Boys, beautiful piece all around. I'm stoked. I'm more stoked than I'm letting off right now, I feel like, but I really am trying to keep chill for my heart so I don't have a heart attack right now. Boys, the 2 pieces, diamond tester gauge. Let's go. Alright, boys, put your bets down below. I am gonna say right now the LED screen on this is a lot better than my last one, I remember. I don't know if that's like, if this is a better one. It looks the same. I know it's stamped with Harlem Bling, but it looks a lot cleaner. Anyway, this is what it should look like when it passes. This is my real ring right now. Like that. That's what we're looking for with these boys right here. We're gonna hit it up. Let's freaking go! It's always a little stressful, boys. I'm really hoping that it passes, one for video title reasons, and 2 because I'm freaking showing Moissanite. One video where I'm actually accepting jewelry from a company. So, alright, there's one. Sorry, let's do that again. I hit metal a little bit. Boys, oh my god. It passes, I think, faster than my real one. Oh, all around the board. Let's try these little small ones right here. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. Whenever you hear that, it's just me hitting metal. Yeah, okay. Boys, Harlem Bling for the freaking win. Not even because they sent this to me, but personally, and I will give you this like with my heart. If I was trying to buy stuff and I couldn't afford the actual real diamonds or just didn't want to spend the money on it, I don't know why I wouldn't go with these guys, personally. You know what I mean? Dude, the depth on these too. They're just statement pieces. Harlem Bling. You should be Harlem Bring instead. I think I like that more. I'm just kidding. Appreciate you, man. The bags are okay, but honestly I don't really care about them. The boxes are cool. I honestly don't really care about them. I care about the jewelry, and the jewelry, in my personal opinion, being all up honest, it's beautiful. Not exactly my style, but a lot of people's styles. This one right here is my style, and I'm probably going to tell you guys, I'm probably going to wear this and carry this in my pocket while I'm at it. So when somebody asks, I'm like, yeah, it's real, bro. Alright, appreciate y'all. I'm going to go back to bed. Peace.